Good afternoon. I'm still there.
Good afternoon, colleagues, and welcome to this press conference. The Honorable Minister will deliver a statement. We won't be able to take questions this time around, but hopefully sometime.
Thank you very much, Permanent Secretary, and I want to welcome you all, the members of the Fourth Estate. And today, this is what we have for you. Government takes note of a documentary titled Gold Mafia, which is currently being serialized by an international broadcasting channel, which purports to expose a network of alleged money laundering and gold smuggling in Zimbabwe. Government takes the allegations which are raised in this documentary seriously and has directed relevant organs to institute investigations into the issues raised therein. Any person found to have engaged in acts of corruption, fraud, or any form of crime will face the full wrath of the law. Government takes this opportunity to reaffirm its commitment to upholding local and international laws, including laws relating to financial transactions, the trade of gold, and the other precious minerals of our country. Boastful behavior and name dropping by some personalities featured in the documentary seeking personal gain and glory should never be taken as an enunciation of government policy. Government remains seized with the matter, and the nation will be kept apprised of any new developments. I thank you.
Well, thank you. There you go. We have some copies to distribute, those who want the scripture and the text.